Okay, good afternoon guys. Today I'm gonna make granola bars, okay? So these are all the ingredients. 2 cups of Quaker Oats, honey, half a cup of honey and half a cup of peanut butter, and then 1/4 cup of nuts, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Add this one, and then the honey, butter, okay. Ato siyang i-mix, guys. Okay, I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Okay, nagkuan man ko Okay. Nuts. And then the chocolate chips. So this is it. Ato na ni siya butang sa container, guys. Kuan. Ato nga ra akong gamiton, guys. Nato siya i-label. Ato na ni siya, guys. Ato na ni siya kanang chill overnight. Unya dayon kani, guys, kung daghan yung himuon, pwede inyo dublihon ang measurement. Unya dayon pwede rin siya i-flat niya. Wala na kong i-flat kay munipis man pagayo, gusto na ko baga-baga. So mao ni siya nga ang half ra kong gigamit. Okay, so ato na ni kabiran. Ato i-chill. Okay, guys, so ato na siya i-chill overnight. Okay. Okay, so ato nang kuhaon. Chill overnight. Okay, we're gonna get na and slice it, okay? Tuloon na to. Okay, guys, look at that one. And then half. So look at that one, guys. Granola bars. And then it's tasting time, guys. So I'm gonna test the smallest one. Okay, so this is it. Look at that one. Okay. It's yummy. It's a granola bar, guys. Okay, so it's a granola bar. Thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.